This is the latest user interface head unit by Toyota. 2022 Toyota Voxy 90 series. And I'm going to talk about how to connect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Miracast. The Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is not wireless. You still need a cable. The USB port is here. I will start with the Android Auto. Plug it over here. Unlock the phone first. After that, you can select Android Auto. Open Android Auto. So this is how it works. You can choose YouTube music, and my local station is above 95 megahertz. So for Japan head unit, you can use this app called Radio Malaysia. Melody FM, Hot FM. Okay, this is how you use the Android Auto. Just unplug it. Now it's gone. And for the Apple CarPlay, USB plug. Okay. Apple CarPlay. Okay, done. This is how you connect Apple CarPlay. As for the Miracast, it's wireless. Okay. You don't need to use USB to connect Miracast. For your info, Miracast means mirror link. Source Miracast. This is my Android device. This is the apps I use. Miracast. Connect. Screen mirroring. Click. Car multimedia. Accept connection. Very similar with the older Alpha Wellfire head unit. And done. I'll go to YouTube. Okay, so this is how the mirroring works using the Miracast. And for the safety reason, when you shift to drive, usually the mirroring the screen will go blank, but I don't know why it doesn't. it's a bit disappointing to not have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly these days. I hope they'll do something about it. And for the quick tour about this car, you can check my video here.